Today has been a fantastic opportunity to discuss the challenges that are facing our manufacturing industry. I think a lot of newcomers to the industry really want to get the most out of their work. They place a lot of value on the experience and skills that they're earning on the job. So that might be access to training and education while learning, or employee benefits like tools or equipment.
It's good to see that there is change being made and making life a little bit easier, and that I'm not going to be one of the only young guys floating around on the shop floor when all of my mentors retire. For me, it's more so getting people out and about and letting them know that it actually exists. So much of my former years, I didn't even know if being a fitter and turner existed, and I only learnt that after spending time at BlueScope Steel.